Bad habits that make people dislike you. Everyone desires to be liked by others, as it makes us feel happier and be in a better mental state. Bad habits can have a negative impact on one's social and professional relationships, causing others to make negative opinions about us. It's important to be aware of these habits and try to improve them in order to boost positive relationships and maintain good social standing. Here I am discussing some bad habits you need to eliminate. Disrespect others. The most common bad habit that can make people dislike you is being rude or disrespect others. This behavior may include talking down to others, making negative comments about others and their abilities, or being dismissive or condescending toward their opinions. Bragging or humble bragging. Bragging always about you, your achievement is universally despised habit because most people do find it irritating. You may simply talk a bit about what you know, or what's interesting, rather than discussing more about your own accomplishments. Also, humble bragging or self-deprecating just to get more attention yourself is also a bad one. Interrupting others. Interrupting others while they are talking is another bad habit that can make people dislike you. This behavior can make it difficult for others to explain their opinions and ideas. When you interrupt others, they feel that what you have to say is more important than what they are saying, which is very disrespectful for them. Being negative. Focusing on the negative aspects of a situation or person is common in our society. Complaining, criticizing, and speaking in a negative tone are its examples. This behavior has a negative impact on one's relationships, mental and physical health, and overall well-being. Being unreliable. Always fulfill promises, your commitments, or appointments. To improve reliability, it's important to prioritize tasks and commitments, be honest about one's availability, and make a concerted effort to keep promises and appointments. People rely on each other, and those who are unreliable can make it difficult for others to trust and rely on them. Dishonesty. Dishonesty is another main bad habit that people seem to dislike. Being dishonest may also keep you from meeting new people and making new friends. Always try to be honest with others. Always critical. Excessive criticism can damage relationships with others and make others feel inferior. People like those who are supportive and encouraging, rather than those who are constantly in a critical mood. Self-absorbed. Being self-absorbed is another bad habit due to which people dislike you. A self-absorbed person always thinks about his own interests and opinions, and ignores others' opinions. People who are self-absorbed show no interest in others, and this habit makes it difficult for others to connect with them. Ungrateful attitude. It's important to practice gratitude, focus on the positive aspects of one's life, and actively express thanks and appreciation for the good things in one's life. People like those who are grateful and show appreciation. Intrusive behavior. People value their privacy and respect the privacy of others, and those who are nosy or intrusive can make others feel uncomfortable and violated. This can include being overly curious about others' personal lives or asking inappropriate questions. In conclusion, bad habits can greatly affect one's personal and professional relationships and cause others to dislike the person exhibiting these behaviors. It's important to recognize these bad habits and work on breaking these habits. By working towards improving our habits, we can have positive relationships and maintain good social standing.